Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. If you enjoy subscription boxes, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We would love to have you. Guys, I'm really excited today. We have a brand new box to our channel, so I'm so excited to have the opportunity to share this with you. I do want to remind you guys before we get into the unboxing that we do have an active giveaway going on. That is our huge holiday elf collab with Samantha Sweets. That will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. If there are any other active giveaways going on, the link will be in the description box as well. But today we are going to be opening the naturebox. And I'm so excited to see exactly what is in here. A huge thank you to naturebox for sending this over. I greatly appreciate it. Now, one thing I love is they do have a subscription. Now, what they sent me is not their subscription. It's just, I think, a variety of different products that they offer, because you can go to their website and purchase individual items, snacks, or you can get a monthly delivery of snacks. It says mindful snacks delivered monthly. You'll get 5 smart, high quality snacks every month for just $29.95, and you can cancel at any time. So they do have the subscription with 5 snacks every month, and it's, when you hear $29.95, you're like, that's a lot for 5 snacks, but it would be like a bag of, something. Like, it's not one individual, they're not individual snacks, they're like bags of snacks. So let's go ahead and get in here and see exactly what they sent me. I'm excited. One thing with their products, obviously naturebox, it's going to be healthy products. No artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners, no corn syrup of any kind, and less than 10 grams of added sugar per serving. So it's something I really appreciate. It's definitely a way to have healthier snacks, and I can't wait to find out if they taste as good as they sound and look on their website. So let's just dive in. Let's get this open and see what it's like. Okay. So this is what I see. So there's one bag on top, and then we got some more bags and some more snacks. So let's just get in here and see. The first one I pulled out is aged cheddar lentil loops, crunchy cheese twist made with lentil flour. Okay, that sounds really, really good. And then we have got smoky barbecue lentil loops. And a sweet jalapeno lentil loops. I don't think I showed you guys the barbecue. So it says light and crunchy, sweet heat. The first one says cheesy crunch. And then, oh goodness, there's a lot down in here. All right. Let me pull it all out. Maybe it'll just be easier to show. So like for the $29.95, this would be one item, this big old bag right here. All right, and then we have got Tropically Delicious Big Island Pineapple. Dried and unsulfured pineapple with no artificial sugar, or no added sugar. So these are basically like dried pineapple rings. Love these. I know these are going to be probably so delicious. It says, everyone loves pineapple, but it's not the most portable fruit until now. So I know these are probably going to be delicious. So see, you're getting snacks that, like that, I was reading, it's got like 4 servings. So you're getting snacks that are going to be multiple servings, which for $30 a month, you get 5. That's a really good deal, especially considering they're healthy. And then we have got some peanut butter maca cookies, crunchy cookies with maca. It's 400 milligrams of maca per serving. So that's what those look like. And then we have some banana maca energy bites, portable bites with maca to help you focus. No added sugar. So these are going to be more like protein type bites, in my opinion, from the way they look. All right, and then we have got some Kung Pao pretzels, spicy seasoned waffle pretzels. Sounds really good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Honey Dijon pretzels. Pretzel bites with tangy honey Dijon mustard. Yes, please. And then we have got some lemon turmeric cookies. 225 milligrams of turmeric per serving. I'm actually really happy to see these. I love lemon cookies. Turmeric really helps with inflammation. So for me having rheumatoid arthritis, that the turmeric will actually be beneficial. So yeah. And then we have 3 protein bars. All right, so we have got a, oh, and this has, do they all, or this one has ashwagandha. This is a peanut butter chocolate chip. Let's see that one. And then with maca, we have a chocolate chip cookie dough. That sounds yummy. And then another, this one has the ashwagandha, sea salt brownie. That sounds good. So there was everything that was in the box that they sent over. So again, thank you so much to Nature's Box. I greatly appreciate it. So like I said, you could expect to receive like maybe a bag of cookies, a bag of pretzels, maybe 1 or 2 bags of the lentil loop things, and like the dried fruit. So I mean, 5 items, I think, especially considering they are healthy snacks and they're good for you. I think $29.95 is a really great deal. But I know y'all are sitting there wondering, yeah, but what do they taste like? We're gonna find out. So I'm gonna try the aged cheddar lentil loops. So let's give these a taste. Smells good. Bag's full. Ooh. So there's what it looks like. A little curly Q. Those are really good. Like, really good. I'm excited about those. Those are so good. Okay. And then I wanted to try the honey Dijon pretzel. I mean, I love that this is resealable. All right. I was hoping there would be a little piece so I don't have to eat a whole one, because you can see they're kind of big. You definitely get the Dijon mustard, but you also get a little sweetness with the honey. Those are delicious. Okay, and then I want to try one of the cookies. The lemon turmeric. Oh my gosh, I can still taste that honey Dijon. But I just smell, oh my goodness, y'all. You smell so fresh, like freshly squeezed lemon. Okay. The bag is, again, full. So got a little piece here. Those are so good. Y'all, this is all fantastic. I know I only tried 3 of the items, but I am pretty sure that all the others are going to be just as good. These do not, honestly, these don't have that healthy snack taste. These are delicious. They taste like guilty snacks, but they're not. So that is really awesome. So I will put a link for naturebox down below. Like I said, they do have the monthly subscription for $29.95, but you can also just go on their website and order individual snacks. They have a ton of other snacks available. This is just a sampling of what they sent me. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, the link will be down below, and I think I'm going to have a promo code, so that will be down below as well. And yeah, let me know what you thought. Do you plan on maybe trying to pick something up and give this a try? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. A special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much. I greatly appreciate everything you guys do to help support my channel. And y'all just being here and watching, I appreciate it more than you know. You know, it's helping me by being here, and I love talking with y'all. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Again, I love you guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.